Hi guys, you're welcome back to another video. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, I am Akusia Sapuma and you're warmly welcome to my channel. Today is just a tutorial on how to style your straight hair without going to the salon. You don't have to always visit the salon for your hair styling and paying some huge amounts. Sometimes you have to try stuff on your own whilst you're in the house doing nothing. Let me list up the stuff that you're going to need when styling your hair. You need your straightener or your care, a comb, a tail comb. Mine is broken, but you need a tail comb, yeah. And maybe, so first off, you just have to part your hair into 4 sections. So let's say you part it into 2 separate halves and then come back here and then part it again into, let's say, 2 sections. That's for the beginners. If you are doing this for the very first time, you would have to part it into smaller portions in order to get that to prevent you from the hair from falling back to what you've done already, you get. So with mine, I've done this several times, so I would know how to go about it without stressing either.